If you've ever wondered how to find the reels you've watched on Facebook, here's a simple step-by-step guide for both mobile and desktop users. For mobile users, start by opening the Facebook app and logging in. Tap the watch icon at the top. This is where Facebook gathers all its video content. Once there, look for the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. In the menu, select Watched button. Select History. You'll now see a list of all the reels you've recently watched. For desktop users, log into Facebook using a web browser. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. From there, go to Activity Log. In the Activity Log, find and click videos you've watched. This will display your reel history, making it just as accessible as on mobile. Now that you can find your reel's history, keeping it organized will make revisiting your favorite content even easier. Save any reel you want by tapping the three dots on the video and selecting Save Video. These saved videos will be stored in the Saved Items section for quick access later. You can also create playlists to organize your saved content into categories, like tutorials, funny clips, or whatever suits your needs. That's all you need to know about finding and managing your Facebook Reels history. Whether you're organizing your favorite videos or revisiting recent ones, these steps have got you covered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.